Hey guys, we're out here just outside of Moab. We are at Tusher Tunnel right now. We just came across Onyx said it's the Towers and Butte Trail, but I think it's part of the Monitor and Merrimack Trail system, just north of Moab, out near the rail or by the airport. We're gonna go hike through Tusher Tunnel. It's just a quick, probably quarter mile, half mile hike each way. It's a pretty cool, it's a couple 100-yard long tunnel. So I'll show you that, and then I think we're gonna go finish the Monitor and Merrimack loop on the way back to the truck, and then that'll be what we do today, I guess. Hey guys, we're just heading into Tusher Tunnel. As you can see, it's a long ways through here, but it goes through the mountain to the other side, and it's a pretty awesome little hike. Again, it's only like a quarter mile or less from the parking lot. This tunnel's nice and flat all the way through it. It's got spectacular views up the other side. Just watch your head if you're a little tall, because it's kind of to a point in the middle. And we'll take you through the other side and show you what the view's gonna look like. Okay, here's the other side of the tunnel. You can see the LaSalle's clear over there and kind of over into Arches. It's a nice, accessible trail. We're gonna go try to find some more adventure. But if you're in the area, this is a really cool trail to go on. You can make it here in pretty much any four-wheel drive vehicle can make it up to here from the highway. But it's a fun little hike. Hey guys, we're down here for day one on this St. Patrick's Day weekend. We just stopped on the way into town out by the airport. We're just leaving Tusher Tunnel. Now we're gonna go do, I think 7 Mile Rim, or Monitor Merrimack, I think is the name of the trail we're gonna do. So we're just gonna cruise along and show you some scenery. Smooths out up here a little bit, and it's more just kind of some side berms. Just gotta get the right rhythm, and these long four-seaters, they don't quite hit these like they're supposed to. It's a little bit of a pain.
Oh, here we go! Woo!
You just gotta be careful, make sure no one's coming the other way with the same idea.
Why?
Just because you don't hit them head on.
They just stopped up there?
Huh?
What? What are they talking about?
I said, because I'm recording this, buddy.
I know.
I was just saying, when you're driving like this, you gotta make sure no one's coming, because you don't want to have a high-speed off-road head-on.
That would be very bad.
You just gotta always be careful. Above all else, safety first. A little bit of fun. A little bit of fun and crazy, but mainly safety. Just like that. I got one more, which is this guy. He stopped for us.
Because he's also a big boy.
Got a signal. How many people are in your group? Behind you.
Oh!
Which we're still not being crazy. We're only going 25. Not like we're flying doing 60 down these trails. So, alright, I think we got one more little sand hill to go down, then we'll be on the slow trail. So, we'll hit you on the next obstacle we find. Hey guys, we're on the, guess I was correct. We're on the 7 Mile Rim / Monitor and Merrimack Trails system. I don't know which one we're technically on. But we got some nice sandy trail. Wish there was a little more difficulty to show you guys. But on these Jeep trails, the 4-seat Razor kind of makes them, nothing's too hard and exciting for you. We'll just kind of check in occasionally and show you what we got going on. Right now we just got some of these nice little sandy berms that are just kind of fun to ride. We kind of came up a wash. So, been a nice little trail. Haven't been on it it's been 4 or 5 years back before I had this machine. Last time I came out here we were in a Rhino with a back seat. So it's a little bit of an upgrade for us. But the farthest I've been over here was, I think, this big rock up here to the left. We had lunch and then just kind of turned around and headed back. Because we didn't want to get in trouble to try to do Wipeout Hill. I was not allowed. So since it wasn't my Rhino, I kind of had to do that. So.
What's Wipeout Hill?
We probably still won't do Wipeout Hill just because we're riding alone today. But we will maybe go to it. It's got a bypass. We can go around it. But I think we're gonna cruise along. First obstacle of the day, I guess. I don't know how it's gonna be. Oh, I guess I need to get a little momentum there. We found this a little bit of off-road adventure. More than just up and down dirt trails. We can make this one a little easier than the last one. There we go. Nice and easy. Just got to keep momentum up. It's the problem with these CVTs is you can't just spin because it'll just smoke your belt. Well, we ended at the top of Wipeout Hill. Which I promised everyone I wouldn't go because we're alone. So we gotta go do I'm not even sure where we gotta go. We just gotta go the around way, I think. So maybe on another adventure when I got people down here, but I don't want to walk back to the truck, and I don't want to leave my Razor out here. So you will find an alternate path that's not Wipeout Hill. Maybe I'll show you the video from the bottom if we make it all the way around. I think this is the way we need to go. But we'll try this route. Okay, we're getting a little late in the day, so we're just kind of taking this shortcut back to the kind of cutting half of this trail off. Or I guess we're already going to miss late check-in into our cabin. But we're just gonna cut across and head back to the truck. This is a little bit of a nasty area where I decided to record this, but luckily we're going down. But that way, just so we make it to town, get cleaned up, and we'll get us some dinner tonight. No corned beef and hash for us, so good. It's St. Patrick's Day after all. Oh, and I do have a little bit of, well, we'll take the easy way. We won't make jackers get out and be scared.
Oh, we're going to silent.
So,
Not very nice.
which is weird. I don't know. I mean, I know they don't want you going off trail, but when it opens up to 4 or 5 paths, which one do you take? The most traveled one, that might be the off-trail version. I figure as long as we're not making any new tracks, there's not a whole lot you can do unless they're clearly marked. We did have a little trouble on the slick rock, because normally on the slick rock areas they paint where the trail is, and it just was gone. So we got a little off course, but we figured it out. So but it's been a good day. It's a little cold. Wind kicked up again. So it's not quite hoodie only weather yet, but it's not too bad. Alright guys, we're just getting back to heading back to the truck. I'm taking a little break from driving. We're on the main road now. Oh, it was a good day. We did Tusher Tunnel, part of 7 Mile Rim, and the Monitor and Merrimack Trail. I'm not sure our total distance. Let me look. We are currently at 21 miles. We probably got maybe another mile back to the truck. That was a good day. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. We'll be doing more trails the rest of the weekend that'll be posted later. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.